I'll pause for a second. The really cool thing with music, it's a puzzle. I'm telling you, and music is telling us, there are 4 chords in this song. We have an E. It's called the 1. It's the heart of the song. We have an A. We have a B. And we have a C sharp minor. Those are all the chords in the song. The puzzle is, how do we arrange them? We know that it starts with E. And then we have a bunch of blanks. And we know eventually we come back to the E. We frequently come back to the E. Our job as musicians is to start to hear and switch chords in time by playing to this track, to say da 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 da, to dee dee da 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 da. Those were just 2 chords, and that sounded right to me. That was E to A to E to A to E. Those 2 chords only. And what's beautiful is how people arrange these chords. So we just saw a beautiful walk up from an A to a B to a C sharp minor. And music loves going up or down. We saw before it went from an E to a C sharp minor, right? This time it went up from an A to a C sharp minor. So it's really nice. The more you do this, the more familiar it becomes, and the easier it becomes to pick up songs. Let's keep listening.